Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Muhammad Uwais, and basically here is a language class. I'm standing in a language class at Saqib Rose Academy located at Agra Taj. Here in this class today, as we have launched a campaign, as you all know that we have uploaded a video before as well on our YouTube channel Deeper Light. Here is a book that we are going to distribute here in the language class students as well. Inshallah, they have made intentions that they will complete this book, inshallah. So on account of Rabiul Awwal, we have basically launched a campaign that we are basically distributing this very nice book on the Seerat, on the biography, on the life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You can see the name, Akhri Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam ki pyari Seerat. In this book, all the important events, all the important incidents have been described about the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You will get to know a lot of miracles about the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as well. And in this book, the most important thing is that here there are a lot of maps. It has been it's very understandable book, and everything has been described using different maps and using different illustrations and pictures. I can show you some. Here you can see, here is a topic that Tamir Kaaba mein kirdar. Here is a topic that you can see, Tamir Kaaba mein kirdar, and you can see different pictures have been mentioned here. Here is the picture of Hajr Aswad. Like for example, if I turn the page, there is the chapter Chotha Bab. There is the fourth stage, and in this stage we will learn the blessed youth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam ki jawani. If I turn the page, you can see the map, Madina Sharif ki taraf hijrat ka naksha. You can see the complete map as well. Okay, for this purpose, for distributing purpose, Furqan Bhai will come first. He is one of the great scholars, mashallah. So he is going to, present a very short speech about why is it necessary for all of us to learn about the Seerat of Huzur Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So first of all, he will deliver a very short speech, inshallah. You will have to listen that, and after that, the books will be distributed to you, inshallah.